If you look at the world around you, social media platforms and mobile phones have become some of the most important elements in the life of a modern day child. According to a report, teenagers spend precisely 7 hours 22 minutes on average per day using nothing but social media websites or apps. Despite the fact that internet has proven to be a great boon for youngsters all across the world, it also has enabled them in way to interact with complete strangers who may or may not be really safe to interact in the actual world. Now, as responsible parents, it becomes our duty to keep a close watch over our children's mobile phone activities, and that's where an amazing tool known as mSpy comes in. mSpy is a powerful phone monitoring app which can report on almost every area of your kids' online activities. Need to monitor calls, for instance? No problem. Looking to check text messages? That's included too. With mSpy, you are able to monitor your child's browsing history, see their bookmarks and the Wi-Fi networks they have used to get online, and much more. Also, the Android app can block access to websites by category, and setting up keyword alerts help you see if they have accessing inappropriate content. So if this sounds interesting to you, then let's get straight into the installation process and see how it works. Now, there are two steps in installing mSpy. First, you need to install it on the phone of the target device. Bear in mind that the app download is free, but to get the features, you will need to sign up for a monthly or annual plan. I have already purchased a subscription and I have managed to get a 30% off since mSpy is having a promo for new customers. Also, if you want more advanced features, you can get the premium plan. This plan includes social media monitoring, web and app blocking, and location restrictions. Once you have purchased the subscription, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. The email sent to you will contain an installation guide which will help you easily set up the mSpy app on the target device, so just follow that. From here, you can select your OS and brand of smartphone that you are using. In my case, I'm using an Android smartphone from Xiaomi. Now just follow the instruction from the screenshot and install the APK file on your smartphone. Now it will ask you to put this unique code into your smartphone in order to activate mSpy. Once done, just provide the required permissions in order to make sure that it works properly and you are good to go. After you have successfully installed mSpy on the target device, you can log into your control panel on the mSpy website and start viewing your kids' activities through an easy to use dashboard. So as you can see, it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to set up mSpy on the targeted device. Now let's talk about some of the main tracking features that you will get with mSpy. One of the biggest selling points of this parental control app for both parents and employers alike is GPS tracking. With GPS tracking, you'll be able to locate your kids' device's current location no matter where they are in the world. As long as the device is connected to the internet, you will be able to see its location at all times. This tracking is done through GPS technology, and the phone's location remains trackable within a distance of 20 meters. What's even more impressive is that you can view this location information on a map for a specific time period. mSpy app also allows user to view log phone calls on the target devices. You won't be able to listen into the call exactly, but you can find all the details about the incoming and outgoing calls. Depending on your device, you can also use mSpy to access all messages and emails. One good thing about this feature is that it also allows you to read even previously deleted messages. Even if your child tries to cover their tracks by deleting messages, you will still be able to retrieve the saved messages through mSpy. Every application installed on the target mobile phone will get shown on the mSpy dashboard, enabling you to easily open or block access to it for the target user. It proves to be a very effective feature in ensuring that the kids don't use any app which they are not supposed to and could be potentially harmful for them. You can also access media files on the target devices through the photo tab, an option you will see on your online dashboard. If you have kids, you'll know that it can be really difficult to keep track of their online activity. After all, kids are always curious about everything around them, often sticking their noses in places where they should not. With mSpy, you no longer have to worry about your children going to websites that may be harmful or suspicious. You get access to a list of all their visited websites, including the most visited sites and when each site was last open. You'll be able to view their entire site history and restrict access to websites that you don't approve of. To conclude, I would like to state that mSpy is overall an excellent parental control tool which is already helping a great multitude of parents across the world to stay on the top of their kids' online and mobile phone activities. It has proven instrumental time and again in protecting children from activities like cyberbullying, online harassment, and more. If you are a parent who is concerned about his or her children's mobile phone activities, this app can prove to be the best investment you will ever make. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.